If you're tackling drywall installation on wood, the Senco 06A125P DuraSpin screws offer a straightforward solution you can count on. These 1-1/4 inch screws come in a pack of 1,000, making them perfect for larger projects without the hassle of constant reordering. What stands out is their unique packaging, a clear, easy access tub that keeps your screws organized and ready to go. Designed specifically for attaching drywall to wood, these screws feature the DuraSpin design, which means they spin smoothly and drive in quickly. This reduces the risk of stripping or jamming, so you spend less time fixing problems and more time moving forward. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIYer, this product helps you get the job done right the first time. Durability is key with the Senco 06A125P. Manufactured in China under strict quality controls, these screws hold up well under pressure, ensuring your drywall stays securely fastened for the long haul. The 6-inch by 1-1/4 inch size is ideal for most standard drywall applications, giving you the right fit without compromise. One standout benefit is the sheer volume you get, 1,000 screws per box. That's a big plus for extended flooring or drywall jobs, where running out mid-project can cause frustrating delays. The clear tub packaging also means you can quickly check your supply without opening multiple boxes, keeping your workspace efficient and clutter-free. Users across the United States have praised these screws for their reliability. One reviewer noted using about 4,000 screws without any significant issues, mentioning only a single jam. That kind of consistency speaks volumes about the product's quality. Just a heads up, trying to refill the collated strips yourself isn't recommended, as it can lead to jamming and wasted time. If you're looking to save time and money on drywall projects, these screws are worth a look. The DuraSpin design and bulk packaging combine convenience with performance, making your work smoother and more efficient. It's the kind of dependable hardware that helps your project run without a hitch. Ready to upgrade your drywall fastening? The Senco 06A125P DuraSpin No. 6 1-1/4 inch drywall-to-wood collated screws deliver on durability, ease of use, and quantity. Try them when you're ready to experience a hassle-free fastening solution that professionals trust.